What's up guys, it's Electrifier and welcome to my channel. In this video we have something really big, and that is a Philips Bluetooth speaker. Also guys, check out my last video, I'll put the link in the description. And this video I'm filming with a new camera, so let's get started. The main thing about this speaker is it's a Dolby Digital speaker. There's one HDMI input and audio input. Don't forget guys, this is a Bluetooth, so you don't need many outlets. So let me get into the features. The features are virtual surround sound, integrated subwoofer, two-way speaker drivers here and here, and one touch NFC for easy Bluetooth pairing. So guys, I already checked it and the sound is great, and also it's really easy to pair. Make sure guys subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. Also, you can help me to grow this channel by subscribing and hitting that like button below. Make sure to share this video with your friends. So guys, I think that's all about this speaker. If you guys have this speaker in your home, comment down below, and thank you for watching.